Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Naughty Threads. If you are yet to subscribe to our channel, hit the subscribe button now and also hit the bell icon to get our future updates. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make this damn easy pouch, which is a multi-purpose pouch. You can use this to put anything. It can for children it could be a pencil pouch, or just to collect some crayons or sketch pens. You can use it for your own self. You can just put all of your makeup stuff and then drop this into your, it holds so many items, the size I have made. You can straight away drop this in your bag. You can also use this as a travel kit. While traveling, it will be very useful. So without any delay, let's get started. So today, to make the purse, we will need 2 or 3 different colors of felt. This is felt, which is available in different sizes. I have used the one which is A4 size. And then you will need a zip, any kind of zip, and few caps like these, and some cotton thread. So we are going to make this pattern. I've used 3 different colors here, and for the second one I'm going to use these 3 colors. Now we'll cut the pieces. This is going to be my base, which is this bottom part. So for that I'm going to take 2 inches. This is the 2-inch mark. Just make a crease and cut along the line. So this is how the base is going to be. And then you will also need 2 strips each of 2 inches in both the colors. So I am going to hold both together and cut. One more set of this. Now we have 2 pieces in pink, 2 in black, and 1 in this indigo color. So this is going to be the base. So the next color I will be joining is pink to this one. The best part is we are going to attach them using the zigzag stitch. So in my machine I am going to set it to number 4, because 4 is the zigzag stitch here, but I'm not going to use the eco foot. I'm just going to use the regular foot. That is when you will get this pattern here, this zigzag what you see. The inside is also neat. Since it is felt, there are no edges fraying. So I'm going to thread the needle. I'm going to place this one next to the other like this, and make a zigzag stitch in a way where one stitch is on this one and then the next stitch is on the pink one. Don't overlap the pieces. So this is one side. This is how it will look, but on the back side you will see a beautiful zigzag stitch. So same way we will attach the rest of the pieces. So one pink goes this side, and then the black here and one more black here on the other side. Once we are done with that, I'll then show you how to attach the zipper. So this is the outside. I have joined both the pieces, this side as well as this side. This is the right side and this is going to be the wrong side. So now the next step is to fix the zip. For that you will have to fold it and keep the right side on the top, and then we'll open the zip. You will have to open it and face the right side of the zip to the right side of the felt, and then stitch along this line. So once we stitch, it is going to end up like this. The teeth will shift this side. So now this is what we are going to do. So before we start stitching, we will set it to the normal our regular stitch, which is number 1, and then start. You have to lock it as you go. Lock it at the other end as well. So this is how it will look. If you want, we can also put one stitch here. This is completely optional. If you want, you can put the stitch or you can simply skip it. I'm going to put. this part will look very neat. Now it is time to fix the other end of the zip. If you are confused, you can just pull the zipper so that you don't go wrong here. Now this side of the zipper has to face this. It is basically the same thing. The right side of the zipper has to face the right side of the felt. Same way like we did. So hold it like this and stitch along the line to attach this zip. So I've stitched on the top as well. The zip is attached. Now we will face the right side like this. We keep the wrong side on top because we have to stitch the sides. And then just leave about half an inch and stitch the side. Make sure to lock the starting and the ending. Repeat the same thing on the other side. Once we are done with that, we'll trim the excess zipper. Before you trim this excess, make sure to keep the runner onto this side. Now we will reverse it. Oh, okay, one more thing before I reverse it. If you want to make it like this is the base. I've just given one stitch here so that it gives this shape. All you have to do is put a stitch like this before you reverse it. Now for this one I don't want the shape, I just want it to be like a rectangle pouch, so I'm going to leave it without stitching. Now slowly reverse it. And then we'll add some tassel. Get this corner out like this. So now our pouch is ready. We'll add some tassel. This is what I'm referring to. I've made this using felt. So we'll use a small piece of black thread. And I want them uneven. I don't want them to be in the same length. So I'm just going to hold this like this and pass this loop here in the zip. So once you get this loop out, pass these ends from the loop. So the thread will get attached. Now we'll make the tassel. I think for this one, let's go with this color. It's bright and flashy. Take a small piece. I'm going to cut about so much. Fold it because we will need this complete piece. now we'll make small cuts. Don't go till the end. This is how we will cut it. So this is how much we will need. Then roll it like this. And we'll also need fabric glue. This is a barrel cap which has a loop like this. In this cap, put some glue. Roll it again and insert this in the cap. This is our tassel. All you have to do is insert this thread in the loop and make few knots to tie it. That's how simple it is. And then trim the excess. We'll do the same thing with this thread as well. So here, these are the two pouches I made. This is how it looks. It depends on you what size you want. You can make it as small as this one to as big as you want. I think even bigger sizes of felt is available in the market. So you choose the size you want before you pick up the felt. So now this one I have made especially to put the sanitary pads. All of us hesitate to carry this in open, so this is what I have made so that I can just put this in my bag while I'm traveling or at work. So when you just want to take a break, you just carry this to the washroom. Nobody would know that you have sanitary pads inside. So that's why I have made this. You can use it for anything, like already mentioned. So I hope you guys like this idea. You can make it for your own self, or it can be an awesome return gift for kids on birthday parties or kitty parties. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you soon in my next video. Until then, take care guys. Bye bye.